Hello everyone, this is your science book for class 1. Student, yesterday we start the revision of this chapter 1, living and non-living things, and today we start the revision of exercise of this chapter. So before we start the exercise of this chapter, we quickly revise this chapter again and then we revise the exercise of this chapter. So student, yesterday we explained that living and non-living things. So living things need food, water, they breathe, they move here and there, they also grow and they have their young ones. But non-living things, they are opposite from living things. Like they do not need food, water, they not breathe, they can't move, they do not grow, and they also not have their young one. So this is the living thing and non-living thing. Natural things who created by man, natural things who created by God, who made by God, like sun, cloud, tree, water, plant, stone. So they all are natural things, and it created by God. But man-made things who created by man, all non-living things are man-made things because it created by people, it made by people, like pencil, eraser, book, almari, chair, machine, computer, laptop. They all are non-living things and they are created by man. They also called man-made things. So this is natural things and man-made things, and living thing and non-living thing. And now we start the exercise of this chapter. So in exercise A, we identify the picture and fill L for living thing and N for non-living things. So first is a book. Book is non-living thing. So we write here N for non-living thing. Tree is a living thing. So we write here L for living thing. This is a pet, a dog. It is a living thing. So we write here L for living thing. It is a cloud. It is a natural thing, and natural thing, it is also non-living, natural non-living thing. So we write here N for non-living thing, natural non-living thing. A crow is a living thing. Geometry box, it is a non-living thing. So we write here N for non-living thing. And in section B, we draw a natural living thing and a non-natural living thing in the box. We have to draw the picture of natural living thing and a natural non-living thing. So natural living thing like leaf, plant, tree, bird, animal. They all are natural living thing. But natural non-living thing like cloud, mountain, water, stone, sun, moon, they all are natural non-living thing. So this is your exercise A and B. You have to make the picture of these words: leaf, plant, tree, bird, any animal. So you draw a natural living thing and a natural non-living thing in the boxes. And this is circle odd one out. First is goat, mango tree, bird, car. So goat is living thing, mango tree is also living thing, bird living thing, but car is not living thing. So we write here. So we circle this box.